Alright, just taped up all the shafts here to the gear deduction unit. I got the Rust-Oleum paint and the primer, high gloss. I'm going with the red. I think red will look good with the Rust-Oleum comfort grip. So let's start painting. Alright, there we go. So that's it. That's all for this. Gonna let this dry. I think it's gonna come out nice. I didn't find a lot of information on these units, what specific color they're supposed to be. Mostly of them were the cast iron gray, or I did find a few black ones, but I don't know if that was actually factory color or someone painted it. So I figured this right here sure would make it pop. So that's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Later.